In India, copyright is a form of IP protection that grants creators exclusive rights to their original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and certain other intellectual works. Governed by the Copyright Act of 1957, this law provides protection for original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works, including computer programs, films, and sound recordings. Copyright protection extends to the expression of an idea, not the idea itself. In the context of recipes, copyright protects the written or recorded form of the recipe, not the underlying culinary concept. This means that the specific wording, arrangement, and presentation of a recipe are protected, not the general idea of combining certain ingredients to create a particular dish. To be eligible for copyright protection, a recipe must be original, meaning it is independently created and not copied from another source. It must also be fixed in a tangible form, such as a written document, a cookbook, or a video recording. Simple lists of ingredients or basic cooking instructions may not qualify for copyright protection. Copyright protection for recipes in India is automatic upon creation. There is no formal registration process required. However, registering a copyright can provide evidence of ownership and facilitate legal action in case of infringement. Copyright infringement occurs when someone uses, copies, or distributes a copyrighted work without permission from the copyright holder.
In a world that's ever-changing, full of innovation and creation, you've got a vision of groundbreaking, ideas set in motion. But there's a storm of doubt and skepticism in the air, and you wonder if it's worth it, if anyone will really care. Protect your invention, file those patents, don't hold back, secure your future, don't let